As an alternative to a typical company day out, we decided to create something tangible, something that conveyed our devotion to communicate, create, change.
We started throwing ideas around how we were going to tell you about ourselves. What is so special about us as a company that would give you a reason to care?
And what do we care about? Our audience. Our success is your success. We are the communications experts, but it's not about us. It's about you. So how do we bring that across?
How do we put you in the limelight? Really, it's about our clients who request our knowledge on the people side of change. We don't play the leading role, but we do make things happen.
Then there was the question about what to demonstrate. There are so many different types of communication. Whether it's a small design project, a magazine, or a whole communication strategy from inception to delivery. And sometimes, just changing one or two words can make a huge difference to how your message is perceived.
So we decided to give you an example of what we can do. A short video on how we commit to bringing your aspirations and goals to life.
We also wanted to show that we understand the local Dutch market and at the same time provide access to our international network and experience.
We didn't just wanted this to be a show and tell. We are passionate about communications. This is what we love to do.
So guys, how are we going to create this video?
I think it's about our company and our vision for our company.
Yeah, and it's also about our customers. I mean, we need to focus on our audience.
Yeah, and we have to say what we want to show.
Yeah.
We have to narrow it down.
Yeah.
Right. What if we use our tagline, create, communicate, and change?
Yeah. So why don't we take a Dutch approach to this movie? Let's do it gewoon. We doen wel gek genoeg. Tell me in 3 words what it is we do.
How about making you shine?
Yeah.
Making you shine.
Make you shine.